I have something that I've connected to the Raspberry Pi that I wanted to share with you guys. Something that we threw together, gosh, this must have been about 10 years ago now. I used to use it for Mamie on old PCs. And this is an X-Arcade. Got the kit online and wired it up to an old wooden box that I had that I turned into like an arcade, basically a giant arcade stick. And I wanted to kind of show it off here. The kit is basically this part here, and then simply all the buttons are wired out over here to USB. Anyway, I got the kit all soldered up. Basically what a PC does is it recognizes this big bad boy here as a keyboard. So all of the keys, all the buttons, and all the directionals on the arcade sticks register as a different button on a keyboard. So I tested this out with the Raspberry Pi, and it works really, really well. So I kind of wanted to show that off. So let me do that real quick here. Now my eventual finished concept here is to have the entire Raspberry Pi quote-unquote console. I want to have the entire thing inside of this arcade stick. Not if that ever happens to actually be what I actually wind up doing, that'd be great. But if not, I'm kind of happy with what we have already, just right now. It actually works out really well, and yeah, I've got no issues with it. So let's take a peek. Last time I had made a video here, it was suggested if I could do a Neo Geo video. So I'm going to go ahead and show off some Neo Geo games. Okay, King of Fighters 99. Yeah, I think I know. Where's my... let's take a Rio. And my... Ah, shoot. Uh-oh. That's weird. Okay, there we go. Ah, shoot. I can't do any moves. What the heck's going on here? Alright. My moves are bad. But that's probably just because I'm bad. Jerk. Oh my god. Ugh. Robert. Yeah, there's something funky going on here. I cannot... Normally this works really well. Matter of fact, I was just playing Garou Mark of the Wolves before I did this video, and it worked just fine, so... Yeah, something's up. Okay. Maybe it's just me. The stick and everything is really slick. Use this controller for now. You can see what Neo Geo games. Honestly, the sound, the graphics, everything to it are pretty much perfect. It's on an LCD screen, so yeah, you can have that. But yeah, if you've ever played Ray Guy before, Blue's Journey, it's a pretty fun game, even though I'm terrible at it, apparently. I always like the soundtrack to this game. I'm not very good at it, but it reminds me of, you know, an early 16-bit adventure game, sort of like Adventure Island or Wonder Boy. It's neat. Anyway, yeah, so sort of funny, I made this video and all I did was complain about how the arcade stick didn't work, but it really does work really well. I mean, I was just using it before I made this video and it was perfect. Cool, eh? Anyway, that's the that's it. That's it. But it works pretty snazzy on it works really well for navigating around the menu and everything, so really it's nice. You can do just about everything with it. Start button, go to quit, and shut down system. Shut down, just like you would on a normal controller. So yeah, Raspberry Pi. A little bit more progress on it. Got the arcade stick going and working, so it's kind of cool. Anyway, let me know if you are interested in seeing more, or have questions for me, and I can see if I can find answers for you. By no means am I a Raspberry Pi master, but I think it's a pretty cool system, and I'm starting to get the hang of it. Get the hang of it, baby. Till next time.